Hello, I'm Rachel. I'm a data engineer in the technology division of a financial services firm. After my N-levels, I was actually pretty sure that I would go to an art school to study fashion design, since I'm not really an academic person and never really excelled in my studies. But this changed after I randomly read up on Formula 1 during my holidays. I couldn't understand why anybody liked it at first. But as I read about how the cars are built and all the innovations involved in the races, I thought all of these were really cool. I discovered that I like building things, and the fulfillment from creating a final product stayed with me for a long time. I furthered my studies at SIT-DigiPen Singapore as I was drawn to the modules in systems engineering course. From late nights spent working on projects and assignments to studying hard for my exams, this educational journey has really prepared me to work effectively in a high-pressure environment. Ultimately, DigiPen graduates are really tough cookies. No matter the challenge, we already know that we can solve the problem and we don't give up.